Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you a 21 Chevy Colorado extended cab. Was a fleet truck. You can see by the lights on there that they're still operable if you need it for a highway rig or something on your job site. There you can see Wrangler tires, good tread on them. It's from Arizona. There's a few scratches right there, chips. Bit of wear on the seat there, but the interior's in pretty good shape. 79 243. It's got a little wear hole on the bottom there, but kind of ready to work. Got the shelf in the back, the fire extinguisher, and the AC converter over there. So ready to go to work for you. Nice clean truck. Box isn't all beat up, got a few scratches, but nothing bad. Tailgate bumper, good. And then would come with our 12-month, 12,000 mile comprehensive warranty on it. So, looking for Colorado for a runaround truck, or you don't mind not having any rear seats. This was a rear seat delete. That's why it has no rear seats. But in these extended cabs, you can't sit in them. There ain't no room for anybody anyway. So nice little truck. Get good gas mileage, 4-wheel drive. 605-692-7010.